Trampoline Maintenance, Bellicon vs $100 Rebounder, why you get what you pay for. Welcome to Best Rebounder Trampoline, your go-to source for everything about rebounder trampolines. Today, we're diving deep into the world of trampoline maintenance, focusing on the stark differences between premium Bellicon trampolines and those $100 rebounders. Why do you get what you pay for? Let's find out. Have you ever wondered why some trampolines last years without a hitch, while others seem to falter after just a few months? It's all in the details, the quality of materials, the design, and yes, the maintenance. Before we jump in, I want to invite you to subscribe to Best Rebounder Trampoline. Not only will you stay updated on the best deals for rebounders, but you'll also get exclusive access to our mailing list. Here, we share all the latest discounts on top quality rebounder trampolines. Don't miss out. Now, let's talk about trampoline maintenance, Bellicon vs $100 rebounder. It's not just a matter of price, it's a matter of value. With Bellicon trampolines, you're investing in a piece of equipment designed to last. These trampolines are crafted with high-quality materials, ensuring that every bounce is as good as the first. But what sets Bellicon apart? It's the attention to detail. From the patented bungee cord system that provides a smooth, low-impact bounce to the sturdy frame that can withstand years of use, Bellicon trampolines are built to last. And when it comes to maintenance, they're surprisingly low hassle. A simple checkup now and then is all it takes to keep your Bellicon in top shape. On the other hand, those $100 rebounders might seem like a bargain at first glance. But the hidden costs of frequent replacements and the risk of injury due to inferior quality quickly add up. Not to mention, the bounce quality and the strain on your joints can't compare to what you experience with a Bellicon. So, why settle for less when you can invest in your health and fitness with a Bellicon trampoline? It's not just a trampoline, it's a commitment to quality, durability, and the best bouncing experience you can get. As we wrap up, I want to leave you with this thought: investing in a Bellicon trampoline is investing in yourself. It's choosing quality over quantity, durability over disposability. And remember, for the best deals and updates on top quality rebounder trampolines, make sure to subscribe to our channel and join our mailing list. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, leave a comment with your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe to Best Rebounder Trampoline for more insightful content. Together, let's bounce towards a healthier, happier life.